Welcome to my channel.
Eero Router Login and Setup Guide for Beginners. 1. Unbox and plug in your Eero router. Connect the router to power and wait for the LED to turn solid white or begin pulsing. 2. Connect Eero to your modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect your modem's LAN port to the Eero router's WAN port. 3. Download the Eero app. Install the Eero app from Play Store or App Store, required for setup. 4. Open the app and create an account. Sign in using your email or phone number to access setup tools. 5. Start a new network setup. Tap Set up Eero Network, and allow Bluetooth location permissions. 6. Add your Eero router. The app will automatically detect the Eero device. Follow the on-screen steps to pair it. 7. Choose your Wi-Fi name and password. Create a unique network name, SSID, and a strong password for security. 8. Allow the system to optimize. Eero will check connectivity and apply automatic network optimization. 9. Add additional Eero units, optional. If you have Eero beacons or extra routers, add them one by one to extend coverage. 10. Log in to Eero dashboard anytime. Use the Eero app to view connected devices, run speed tests, set parental controls, update firmware automatically. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.